and welcome to my channel. My name is KayraRenee, and today I'll be showing you how to get 2 different Valentine's Day look options. I'm happy to share a look with you all using affordable products that you probably already have at home or something similar to them, or if you want to go spend a little bit of money, it won't break the bank. If you're still looking for an easy Valentine's Day look, for your Valentine's Day, whether you're going out on a date or with friends or just hanging out at home with your family, any of these looks will be an option for you. So if you want to see how I got this look and how you can achieve it at home, please keep watching. So this is the option for look number 1. This is super easy, super subtle. I did throw on a pair of lashes to make the look just a little bit more dramatic, but obviously you can go without lashes. And then a sort of soft pink nude lip. So let me show you what option number 2 would look like. And this is the look option number 2. So I did a little bit of a winged liner and added a different lip color, and it just changes the look a little bit. It gives it a little bit more drama, makes it a little bit more nighttime. Of course you can wear this during the daytime if that's what you choose to do. I'd probably even go more dramatic with the eyes, but I wanted to give you guys a softer makeup look for Valentine's Day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you like this look. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Whoever you decide to spend it with, just remember that Valentine's Day is about love and caring for the people that you are most close to, whether that be your partner, family members, friends, whoever it may be in your life that you care for the most. And if you are single, if you're in a relationship, whatever the case may be, there's always a reason to celebrate love. So I hope you guys have a great day, a great Valentine's Day, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!